Hey guys, Dave Anderson, Helicool's Helipad. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Hey, while I'm on a holding pattern waiting for this welding wire to get here, I figure I'm going to start back on PARTriSha. I still got lots of stuff to pull off of it, so I'm going to put a little laundry list so that you know what we're doing on this video, because it's going to be extensive. I'm going to just grab a lot of stuff. It's supposed to rain, so I'm going to get started at it. We're going to have some fun. Stay tuned. I'm going to continue working on everything that is attached to this cab. And there's a couple of hoses that go up to the heater that I need to remove and drain that of fluid. And then I'll probably be working on the inside to get all the dash and whatnot removed out of here. Summer's coming up quickly, and this cab is coming off this summer. Well, this time I'm under PARTriSha, and I'm removing the tie rod. And you know what, I had a question. Somebody asked me, hey, you know, just because it's longer, it still might fit up in there. So I'm going to check it just to make sure. I think it's too skinny. The other one is much more tapered and fatter. I think this one's too, the ones that I bought were too skinny, but I'm going to try it out anyway just to make sure. Now, if I have somehow messed it up, I will be elated if this fits. Nope. Yeah, that's what I thought. It stood up. You see, it's standing up too high. It's too thin. I shouldn't be able to rock it back and forth at all. So this definitely has the wrong taper as well. So totally the wrong part. That that mystery is solved. All right, next to come out is this power steering box. I tried to get that out today. Well, now that the rain is here, it's time to work on the inside of PARTriSha. And while I'm at it, put some more PV Blaster on the drag link. Well, I'm getting a later start than what I thought. Neighbor called and he was broke down clear up in Olympia. I had to go pick him up with the trailer and haul his POS back. Dropped it off at the mechanic. Guess what? The mechanic went out there, started it right up. Anyway, it's time to get busy on PARTriSha before the whole day is gone. So here we go. This is a prized possession right here. These things apparently go out all the time. Or get broken. Well, I know it looked like there was a whole bunch of fiddling, but really, this was the transmission push button. This was probably the most fiddlesome, but once I figured it out that you had to get around and press on this side, they came out nice and easy. You see there's this little deal here, you press on it and it releases, it comes out nice and easy, but I didn't know that, so it took me a little while to figure that out. But everything else kind of came out actually pretty easy. I know it looked a little bit more difficult than what it was, but it wasn't too bad. All of the stuff kind of came out together. It also looks like there's evidence of a mouse. That same mouse that was in the heater area on the other side was also up in here. Of course, they are opportunistic. If there's a tiny little hole, they will get into it. It looks pretty filthy back here, but it is just a parts truck, so everything was working, I know that. Hey guys, when you have a big beast like this, it's easy to miss stuff. And here it is, these panels staring me right in the face all this time, and I've never taken them off. It's time, after this rain shower stops, to take these things off. Keep those fingers crossed. There's gonna be something hidden in one of these doors someday, and I'm gonna find it. You have another opportunity. Something wasn't working right. Anybody got a guess? No bayonet, but surprise, surprise, it's raining again. It's Washington. It's lovely. I'll wait another 2 minutes. This should be over. Well, finally, FedEx got here. Not FedEx's fault. But finally, my welding wire got here. Oh. Wow, look at this fancy sticker that came with it. Happy? We love to hear from our customers and fans. Fans? Okay, well, I like to hear from my fans too. So, I guess that's all right. No bayonet yet, but one side to go. I really can't believe that I have another chance to find something. I don't want to find any wasps or that kind of thing, but really cool if there was something hidden back in here. I tell you what, I am finding something, and that's a whole lot of spare parts. This is great. I'm actually going to have a full set of stuff to put onto Malachi. But alas, there's no bayonet, no ammo, no anything back behind the doors. That's a too easy one. They would look behind the doors anyway. Here's something special. You gotta take this plate off in order to get the windshield wiper reservoir out. Guess they don't want people stealing it. Makes it a little harder. Now, why would you ask, do I need to take the windshield wiper reservoir out? Because I dropped a doggone tool down there and I couldn't get it out. Hey guys, my welding wire has arrived, as you saw. I appreciate you guys watching this video, and hopefully you got some good inside views of PARTriSha and your project. Hopefully it'll help you out. If you like the video, to leave a comment. It's just a little click down there, and also there's a little thumbs up that you can click as well. I definitely appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Let your friends know about us so they can subscribe too. It's always great to have new folks come onto the channel, and especially making those comments. Until next time, guys, I'm Dave Anderson, signing out. You guys be safe, and God bless.